अगर आप किसी को कुछ बेचना चाहते हो तो सबसे पहले खुद को बेचो, सबसे पहले डील नहीं दिल मिलाओ। Replace yourself as a product and then think that am I the suitable product for him or her right now. As we are all the product of our parents, and we all know that how much time, love and money they are spending on us, but as a product of them, are we capable of fulfilling their expectations? Let's take an example to understand this concept of product. Let's assume that you are going to the market for buying toothpaste, and there is no monopoly of Colgate right now. It's not 90s, it's 2021, so there are lots of other branded toothpaste available in the same shop, lying in the sequence. For example, Colgate, Pepsodent, Dabur, Sensodyne, Patanjali, and many other companies branded toothpaste, including their varieties. So which one do you choose? Now it takes certain amount of time to decide, as you will apply sorts of permutation and combination in your mind, and you will make your decision based on so many things. You will consider quantity, भाई कितना ज़्यादा है, कितने कितना ज़्यादा है, quality, how long you will use it, and your feelings regarding the particular product which would generate by their advertisement, price, etc etc. एंड किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट की जितनी ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल हो जाएंगी, हायर द चांसेस फॉर यू टू बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट। सिमिलरली जब कंपनी एम्प्लॉयज़ को हायर करती है तो उस समय पर वो एम्प्लॉयज़ को बाय करती है, खरीदती है। देन इन परस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कंपनी वी आर द एम्प्लॉयज़ आर द प्रोडक्ट, एंड लेट्स से यू ऑल्सो अप्लाई टू दैट रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस, so you are the product for that company. Now company have to choose which product they want, so they also want the product who can fulfill their demands or capable to meet their expectations. If you are buying toothpaste, you have so much requirement, so has to be fulfilled, and so anyone who chooses you, don't you think that they also have certain level of expected needs in their mind? And if you are not the good product, then why should they choose you? Now the question is, are you the good product or not? You want that people will choose you. You want that people will spend time with you, care for you. But have you ever been the good product for them? You need to question yourself. Are you really the product which they need? People are not asking question. What's happening around, why this is happening, what I am doing, and due to this they suffer a lot, and inside them it's knocking them always. They just eager to yield their story and their perspective. However, they don't ask others opinion also, they don't listen others. If you don't ask, you'll never know anything, and if you'll set only your prejudice, and if the other persons have different views, then you won't like it. And if you don't understand their opinion and demands, then why the hell they chooses you? You know, there is a beautiful law in nature: ask the things with your heart and things will come to you. Once a researcher put 5 monkeys in a cage, and there is a bunch of bananas hanging from a string with the ladder leading to the bananas. When the first monkey goes for the bananas, the researcher spray all the 5 monkeys with freezing water for 5 minutes. Sometime later, when the second monkey inevitably tries to go for the bananas, the researcher once again spray all the 5 monkeys with cold water for 5 minutes. The researcher then put the horse away and never touches it again. But when the third monkey tries to go for the bananas, the other 4 monkeys attack him to prevent him from climbing the ladder, because they are afraid from the punishment that may come. Then the researcher replaced one of the monkey with new monkey who was not the part of original experiment and was never been sprayed with the water. And as soon as the new monkey touches the ladder to go for the bananas, the other 4 monkey attack him to keep him away from doing so. And if he touches again, they attack him again. Thus, the new monkey learn not to go for the bananas because he will get attacked if he does. Now the researcher replaced a second monkey with another new monkey. And when the new monkey goes for the bananas, the other four monkeys, including the new monkey who was never been sprayed with the water, attack him. The researcher then continues to replace all the monkeys one at a time and until all the five original monkeys are removed from the cage. Each time the newcomer goes for the bananas, the other monkey attack him even when they as the new monkey have never received the punishment for going after the bananas. And thus the new monkey who have never been sprayed with the cold water learned not to go after the temptation of bananas. They never try to find the reason why the ladder shouldn't be climbed. They just believed in what others believed and follow it blindly and stayed away from the bananas, which they could have easily reached, shared and eaten. Friends, some traditions and customs have been made thousands years back for a particular reason. But many times we continue with these traditions and customs even after the reason ends. We should understand that some of the traditions can be detrimental to our progress. And if we always follow the same way to do the things because it's a tradition, then we are often rendered blind to the new ways that may give us better results. The five monkey experiment therefore teaches us that we need to constantly challenging ourselves to look at the things from new light, to question the things that we don't always feel right, and try to do new things and branching out in the new direction instead of saying this is how it's always been done. In other words, if you want the bananas, which means better result, there are times that we need to question what are we doing, why are we doing it. Have you ever questioned? Because the person learned by absorption, by absorbing the things. So I think that we have absorbed more things from different contexts to expand the scope of our knowledge. And we should also seek the things which are contrast with each other, so that when we confront by the alien ideas or people, we take interest in understanding and figuring out instead of threatening by the alien thoughts. By practicing this, you'll start respecting others' thought also, and I think you'll become the product which everyone wants. So try to question the things in your life. Jai Hind.